Totally an even skin tone now, or the foundation is on me. I look stunning though. Let's see, more to go. There's a lot of products that is being used. It's a pure hard work, definitely not easy task, need to be appreciated. Ravi Menon sir. I'm like open, then I thought while I open I'd see my sari shades on the eyes. There's so much to do on the eyes itself. So friends, please note this, my makeup's gonna stay almost for about 12 hours and it is termed as HD high definition makeup and it is waterproof. So my eyeball colors changed. I'm really excited. It looks very special. It's got more of shine. Hey babes.
Oh my!
See the magic on me. It's a very long process. I'm really hungry. Let me take a bite. After which I can't because my lip makeover will start. I just love this color. It's so tempting.
It's a very beautiful brand, All Nighter anta, Urban Decay adu. All professional makeup artists ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೈನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದು ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Hardika. Ayyo. Okay.
ನಾಡಿನ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಜನರಿಗೆ
ಹಾ.
ನಾಡಿನ ಸಮಸ್ತ
ಸಮಸ್ತ-
ಜನರಿಗೆ
ಹಾ.
ಜನತೆಗೆ
ನಾಡಿನ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. So friends, first time we are doing this collab. It's me, Shooting Star, as well as Azari Boutique with PRM Studios, Mr. Ravi Menon sir. So he is a makeup artist. He's excellent in his profession. I have witnessed it myself. This is Ravi for you, and thank you so much. I'm really happy about so much of patience that you had with me. Thank you very much. I'm really happy about the job that you did to me, and I was so happy to see myself this beautiful today. He helped me out a lot in adjusting to the makeup, the hairdo, the face do, and the face makeup, and the eye makeup. He made me feel so comfortable, and I would definitely tell my people, as in my followers, to please do come. Needs where you have to get yourself decked up beautifully. Please do come to PRM Studio, and I would definitely put down the address and his contact number too in my video. Thank you once for all for watching my video. Do subscribe Shooting Star for more. Have a lovely day. Happy Sankranti to all.